Do you? Oh, first, take two. Do you know that 9 out of 10 men are afraid to go to the salon to have unwanted male hair removed? Women, if you don't like unwanted hair, ear tufts, carpet bag, nostril overgrowth, you need this product. Scotchland Straight. Oops. Straight from Scotchland comes the Manscaping Tool Kit to remove unwanted male hair.
Last week, my love got me the Manscaping Tool Kit and...
Operators are standing by right now, and if you call in the next 30 minutes, we'll double your order, sending you not only 1,000 inches, but 2,000 inches of our Manscaping Tool Kit. Call now.